Here's a news report summary in the requested style. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has concluded meetings in Washington following appeals for advanced weaponry, notably Tomahawk cruise missiles. However, President Donald Trump appears to be shifting his stance, urging Ukraine to negotiate a settlement with Russia. This comes after Trump's recent discussions with Russian President Vladimir Putin, with whom he has agreed to a new summit. While Zelensky expressed hope that the US-made missiles could bolster Ukraine's defense, he acknowledged the United States' concerns about potential escalation. President Trump, in contrast, has indicated a desire to stop the killing and reach a deal, suggesting both sides should accept current territorial lines and claim victory, leaving history to judge. This development follows reports of growing frustration with the ongoing conflict, despite earlier optimism from Trump regarding Ukraine's ability to regain its territory. Zelensky's visit, initially aimed at securing advanced long-range weapons, has concluded without immediate tangible military gains, as President Trump seems focused on achieving a diplomatic breakthrough, potentially leveraging recent successes in brokering other peace agreements. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.